In this video we are going to see the manufacturing process of gearbox. The material for this casting is ductile iron. Process design is based on paste-like solidification of ductile iron and self-expanding characteristics of graphite. By the way of sand casting, furan resin sand is used as sand type material. Casting structure analysis. The casting size is large, therefore there is risk that molten metal may not fill the cavity completely. Hence the two-case molding way is used. Now the pouring position of casting means its position in the mold. It can affect the solidification sequence and quality of casting. Therefore we have to take care of the quality of the casting. In this table I had given the details of casting process with the iron composition and weight and the element and their specifications. So here we can see the different elements with their specifications. And these are the images of the sand casting of gearbox and the original castings of gearbox. For designing the gating system, 6 ingates were introduced in old gating system, but the central ingate is removed in new gating system. Therefore, there are 5 ingates and number of runners used are 2. So this is the gating system of the gearbox. Appropriate feeding capacity is also required for designing the casting. Therefore, 3 risers are designed on the casting. Addition of cold ions and local metal liquid can give surface hardness and wear resistance to the casting. The role of sand core is to form the cavity of casting. Now for designing the gearbox, sand cores are designed in the form of coordination with each other. Therefore 11 cores are designed to help the casting forming. Hot closed die forging is also the main blank forging process used for auto gear forgings. It gives the high precision small machining allowance. By doing the hot closed die forging, the hardness suitable for subsequent gear cutting is obtained and the structure for final heat treatment deformation is also produced. These are the images of forging process of gearbox. Next process is turning machining. Now in order to meet the positioning requirements of high precision gear processing, we require CNC lathe machine for processing of gear blank and machining of whole diameter end face and outer diameter under one clamping is completed synchronously by using mechanical clamping. Carburizing and quenching are the heat treatment processes which are required for automobile gears to ensure their good mechanical properties. Grinding machining is the process mainly used to finish inner hole, end face and outer diameter of shaft of the gear after heat treatment so as to improve dimensional accuracy. Now these are the images which give the real view of the gearbox. First image shows the sectional internal view of the gearbox, like how the gearbox actually looks like, and the second image we are seeing is the outer image or outer view of the gearbox.